Pantortang talong, cheesy eggplant o vinaigrette.
Higasan ako.
Basta may 9 pesos hidden sulit pa.
Gagalaw na naman siya.
Bagong size, 5 pesos lang.
Woo! High five! Totoo yan? Nakita ko sa sisibo ko kumakain. Ay, naku, ito na yung bibilhin ko. Bagong size na ako.
Bagong size, 5 pesos lang. Heat can cause itch and dandruff. Use Clear Ice Cool Lip Balm. Its anti-dandruff cooling technology cools your scalp deeply for zero dandruff and invigorating freshness. Clear, zero dandruff. Now in a refreshing new fragrance.
All I want is what's best for my baby, while my husband makes sure I do what's best for me too. He's become more supportive, even getting strict about what I eat. And because I'm pregnant, my usual diet is not enough. So I drink Enmon Materna. It gives the extra nutrients I need to keep me and my precious baby in the best of health.
Oh! Hindi ko makulit. Favorite.
Sikat na si Jem, baka nagpa-hair spa. Rejoice 3-in-1 na may power of 3 hair treatment. Anti-dandruff hair wash, hot oil
Seryoso, nanonood ng TV, oh.
for smooth hair and clean spa. White Pay Water for beautiful hair.
Miss. Oh.
Super IDD, ang first and only dental cost sa US and Canada. Napaka-affordable,
Oh.
99 pesos a day. Save 30% kapag monthly. Kaya tumagal na siya.
Oh. Oh, saan ka? Anong gagawin mo rito? Ano? Wag yan! Oh, wag yan! Inag. Punta ka kay Mami. Dali, punta ka kay Mami. Tawag ka ni Mami, oh. Ang kulit. Oh, yan, oh. Commercial ulit, oh. Commercial ulit.
Pwedeng dahil sa Tararan, Tide with the power of Safeguard. The smell is to believe.
Gaano mabango ang amoy Safeguard nga? Bangong Tide and power of Safeguard. Bonging sa kamutian.
5 pesos lang.
Ano mas maganda? Ito o ito?
Punta kay Mami, dali.
Gamit namin eh. Vaseline Natural 2-in-1.
Miss.
Really soft and beautiful on hair. Ang ganda in a major way.
Vaseline Naturals, for the softest hair from Vaseline ever.
Oh.
New Refresh Shower Quick. After shower freshness all day. Ang bilis din ng lumaki, kaya ngayon pala, give them the best care. Nido Fortified with a high level of calcium, protein, and zinc. Tulong pang matangkad. See the difference with Nido Fortified from Nestle. Winner kagad to win. When you buy 3, you get 1 free.
Lagi namang nakatalikod.
And there's more. Up to 2 million cash prizes to be won. And in your win, buy 3, get 1 free anti-fat. Enjoy reading. Oh, here's cup 2. Dark spots and acne marks? Use Pond's Detox Spotless White Cream with a Pro-Vitamin B3 complex and detox vitamins that lighten dark spots and acne marks, so you look radiantly fair. Guess what's that gone? Say goodbye to dark spots and acne marks. Pond truly whitens. Now available in 10 peso sachet. Akala nila, ginagasasin ko ang hair ko. Linis. Anti-dandruff shampoo. Kinakailangan nagpa-clean. Ang smooth. I'm sure nagpa-hot oil. Gumamit siya ng Power of 3 hair treatment for just 5 pesos. Rejoice 3-in-1 for smooth hair. Parang kinair spa, diba? Hindi. Rejoice lang yan. White Pay Water for beautiful hair.
They're still talking about it. Ang mayabang sa mga pansabi. Ang ganda po ng pelikula.
Ah, hindi.